Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, Ethereum also following the wave count in an amazing way at the moment. Reacted here again. It reacted 3 times now to the golden ratio. So yeah, hopefully those support and resistance signals and boxes made everybody a little bit of money yesterday here. If you just followed them very simply, then this could have made over the last week or so you quite a bit of money. Depending on if and how you traded them, and hopefully they were useful signals. And funny enough, only on Sunday in the member live stream we talked about Fibonacci relationships and talked about especially the golden ratio as well. So we sometimes have these educational live streams in the membership on a Sunday. If you like to check them out, feel free to join the membership. Also, if you were a member yesterday, you had this signal as a gold member first, that it probably completed a B wave here at the golden ratio, and we were looking for a sell-off, so it could have been even a short trade. And here a trend reversal to the upside, so let's see if it's now going to push through. Either way, 3 successful trades here, and if it now follows through in a third wave, then it can reach now 1750 plus. We're going to take a look at that. Important is that if you entered in this last support area, that you can just very simply watch it now, manage risk, for example, adjusting your stop loss, and lean back and relax and see your portfolio ideally grow. So, okay, I only want to focus on the short term here in this video. Might do a longer one later, but we did one yesterday. So, what is now expected? So, at the moment, also because we broke above the corrective price channel here, as you can very clearly see. We can also assume now that the third wave is underway. Now, what is the first resistance or breakout point and target? So, first of all, the bulls need to bring it above 1666. That's the wave 1 high, and then we have the third confirmation as per Elliott Wave that this is the correct wave count. Yeah, it can still be the wrong one, but you don't get better confirmation. Basically, that's what it is. You get your 5 waves up, first confirmation that the trend has shifted from this local downtrend that started on the 16th of Feb. Yeah, the first confirmation is you get 5 waves up, and Ethereum has got them. Highlighted yesterday to you that I like the Ethereum structure of the weekend low a little bit more than the Bitcoin structure. It's just a bit more reliable here in the very short term. Then 3 waves down, again textbook, reached the 61.8 retracement, golden ratio, a very important one. Reacted to it, and then the third confirmation will be if we break above the previous wave 1 high. Now, again, as I often say, when you wait for confirmation, the reward to risk ratio is pretty bad again. So that's why these boxes are on the chart for possible pullback trades. But again, very important, I don't tell you to buy here or sell or go short in these areas. This is entirely up to you. I can only tell you from an analysis point of view where I believe the prices are going to turn around. If this fits with your overall trading plan, and everybody who's trading needs to have a trading plan so that you know how much you risk in every single trade, you know what kind of trades you take and so on. Only if this fits, I recommend that you actually use them. If it doesn't fit your own trading plan and time frame, don't use these boxes. Okay, it all depends on your trading plan and your portfolio decisions if this is correct for you. But still, though, we identify prices and turning points where the chart is most likely going to turn around, and it's behaving at the moment. Okay, so what is the next breakout point? Is 1666. Then we've got the third confirmation. And the target for the third wave would be the 1.618 extension. So we're talking here about the 1770 level for a third wave actually as a minimum. So, which means probably this third wave will have a 1-2 setup as well. So at some point you're going to get a bit of a reversal. There's no point doing any micro counting here. There's very limited structure, but the current price structure would suggest continuation to the upside. It could be, as I said, for Bitcoin as well. I mean, this could again be a larger ABC structure, and we could get rejected a bit earlier and then make a new low. That wouldn't matter to you if you followed the count here, and now you can just adjust your stop loss. In the worst case, you get stopped out in profit or break even. Very first target would be 1706, which shows you that would be the A to C ratio, which shows you why it doesn't make sense to wait for a breakout, because you might enter here at 1666 and then you could get rejected at 1706 already. So that's why I like these pullbacks. Okay. Yeah, that's what it needs to reach now. And then it can eventually reach 1900 plus when it follows the way up. And as we get more clarity that we really are in a third wave, I will be able to give you a target here more specifically, maybe later today. And then we'll also give you an entry area for the fourth wave. And that's how it will probably subdivide higher in whatever shape or form. Need to see how this is going to, if this is only then after these 5 waves, we need to see, is this enough to fulfill the third wave here? It might just be the first wave of the third. We will see. First of all, we focus here on the short term. Trend is up, and I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.